This is Jennifer Sias, and I'm vodcasting today from Hillary Clinton campaign headquarters in Ashland, Kentucky. Volunteers were visited today by Greg LeClaire and his Hillary-mobile. Not even the rain could dampen LeClaire's spirit as he described his Hillary-mobile and explained why he made the long trip from New York to Kentucky to support Hillary Clinton. I'm talking with Greg LeClaire here in Ashland, Kentucky. Greg drove down to Ashland, Kentucky, all the way from Rochester, New York.
Well, Hillary started doing it about 2 months ago. Finally got it done. I'm a little bit behind. Definitely need to vote for Hillary Clinton to make the country a better place, and having a little bit of fun time here, and hopefully go to the convention and have more fun, and hopefully she'll have a big victory tomorrow and win the presidency for the United States of America.
That's a pretty big sacrifice to make the drive all the way down here, especially with gas prices and so on. What is it about Senator Clinton that's really inspired you, Greg?
Well, you know, a bunch of things. She's the first woman. I think she'd do a better job than what we have to work with, and you know, I just think that we need a woman tough for a president, and men aren't doing it right now, and I think Hillary would do a fine job.
This is Jennifer Sias, and this has been a vodcast from Hillary Clinton campaign headquarters, Ashland, Kentucky.